Good morning there. It's nice to have a time here, and I'm good at all. How about you guys? Before this, I want to make you all know my name because in my country there's a proverb, tak kenal maka tak sayang. That means if we don't know each other, then there's no relationship between us. Hi guys, I'm Ataral Fabian Wibisono. You guys can call me Fabian, Fab, Bian, Alf, or anything else that comes from my name, of course, it's okay. And then I was born in Yogyakarta, 6 February 2007, and I'm originally Japanese. I am originally from Yogyakarta, but the weird thing is I can speak Bahasa Jawa. Uh, a short story, my family is having a long journey. They have lived at Madura, Bali, Kalimantan, Surabaya at several years. That makes me use Bahasa Indonesia all the time at home. Okay, let's move to my education. I was graduate at uh, Yogyakarta, of course, this year. I am a freshman in June, and I was at Vocational High School Muhammadiyah 1 Yogyakarta, and I chose broadcasting and perfilman for my major. Of course, I am interested to being a broadcaster because my uncle have invited me to his office at Metro TV Jakarta, and then I was like, wow, it's a nice office. Can you imagine on the rooftop, like there's a helicopter on top of that buildings? So uh, of course is that for the journalists, for the journalism, make it easy to day for work. And then uh, about that, I have experience of being journalist within 6 months in 2024. That was PKL, praktik kerja lapangan. That was the program for vocational high school. And then my hobbies are doing sports. Almost every sport I love to do, except gym and running. I feel bored because of that. Usually on the weekend, I'll play basketball with my friend. Uh, Besides that, I love play piano. I very love playing piano. Since I was kid, I have learned from my father. He loved piano. I was at what is it, like 3 years old, and then my father playing a piano, and then it makes me like, wow, it's a masterpiece. Maybe you guys can look at my back. There's a piano here, and then uh, I'm still learning about playing piano. I'm not a pro yet. And then now I am taking my bachelor degree in Mercubuana, Yogyakarta. I choose English education. And then as a freshman, I am aiming to have a grade point average at 3. Yeah, at 3. I have to keep the average point at 3 because I have to guard my scholarship until my graduate. Okay. A little bit highlight from me, just for your information, guys. At vocational high school, I have won a competition, news reading in English. The competition is Olympicat, which was a national competition from Muhammadiyah, and it was held at Bandung in 2024. Okay, okay. I think that's all about me, guys. I feel happy to share with you. I hope we can make a great relationship in the future. If you want to ask anything about me or anything else, don't you ever be shy. I am always open to sharing and connect to new relationship. Maybe we can follow each other on Instagram. You guys can search it Atal Alfabian. Yeah, just Atal Alfabian. There's no Wibisono in there, so just Atal Alfabian. I'll wait you. Glad to know you.